Welcome back once again to the channel. uh, if today is the first time you are visiting the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and then you like the video as well. Now in today's tutorial we are going to draw this basic simple 2D drawing in AutoCAD for beginners practice. So let's see and then analyze the drawing and then we move on. So you can see we have two circles here. All right, so the inner radius is 5 and then the outer one is 7.5, and then we have this fillet here which is 5 radius, and then this inner arc over here also radius 2.5. Now if you watch this distance, there's a distance 8.5, that is a vertical sorry yeah, a vertical distance over here, that is this end to this end. Okay, vertically is 8.5. so let's come down here. You can see this outer diameter is 32 millimeters, and then the inner one is 25 millimeters, this one. And we have a fillet here which is 8.5, and then this. So let's get the drawing started. Now the overall length or the height is 70 millimeters, that is from center to center. Okay, so I'll start drawing from here with a diameter of 32. So let's open our AutoCAD, select center diameter, click, then enter 32. You press enter. Now you zoom out. All right, so there's another circle with diameter 25. So select center diameter, then locate the center, enter 25. All right, so we have these two circles. Now let's draw a line which is 70 height. Okay, so I'll just draw a straight line. Make sure your line is vertical, the height of 70. Good. And then I'm going to draw these two circles with radius 7.5 and 5 radius. So now select center radius, click the end point of the circle, enter 7.5. Repeat. Now if you want to repeat the circle command again, just press enter, click the end point, and then enter 5. Good. So now we have the circles. All right, so what I'm going to do next is to draw these lines, these inclined lines. So to do that, you can see the distance from here to this point is 20 millimeters, and also the length is 14. So for beginner's sake, I'll just draw a line. Let me just draw horizontal line of length 14. Now I'll copy this line. Let me just move it. So you can use the shortcut M for move, press enter, and locate the center of this line, and then bring it here. Now when you bring it here, don't click, just press and hold your shift key and then right click. You see from, just select from, and then you click from this point. So mean we want to measure from here, we want to take the distance from here upward, and then our distance is 20 millimeters. Okay, so enter 20. Good. Now there's another one which is 8.5 here, also moving 20 plus 40, which is 60. So for beginner's sake, just pick a line. Let me just draw 8.5, the length, select it, and then I'll move it. Now select the center, press and hold shift key, right click, and then from here I just enter 60. I guess it's 60. Yeah, 60. So enter 60, and then we are done. Okay, so from here we can just add our line. So let me just draw a line from here to this point. Just select the line and mirror it. mirror. Erase source object, just click no. Okay, so you would see we are progressing. Now from this point we just need to add this fillet. Okay, but for you to add a fillet you need to extend these lines down, if not the circle can't touch it. So to do that you can use the extend command, or you can use the shortcut EX, press enter. Now click on this line and click here. Okay, so if you look at this, the fillet radius is 8.5 and the top here is 2.5 is 5. So come here and then select tan radius, click here, tab 8.5, enter. Select the tan radius again, click here, then enter 5. Good. Now let's trim. So the shortcut TR, or you can just click this one. Just trim it, all the unwanted lines. Okay, so I'll trim this one as well. Now I'm going to mirror what I just did. So I'll select this and then select this as well. Now use the mirror command, click the center, then erase source object, just click no. Now you see this is not touching, so we need to extend. So to do that you can just use the extend command, or you can just type EX at the command line and then press enter. So let me just use the extend. Now click on this line and click on this line so that they will automatically meet. Alright, so at this point we are left with some small work to do. So here there is an arc here with radius 2.5. okay, so pick your center radius from this point, enter radius 2.5. yeah, I think let me check. Let's check the distance. Okay, 40. So the radius is supposed to be 2.5, that is it. And then here there's another radius here, 4. So I'll just pick, and then from the center I'll just enter 4. Okay, so I'll just add my line that is from this quadrant to this point, and from here I can just mirror by using the shortcut MI, or you can just select the mirror this thing over here. So just click no. Now we need to trim. So TR, let's trim all the unwanted lines from our work. I'll trim this, trim these ones. All right, so you can see our work is almost done. I'm not going to trim these lines for now. I'll show you the reason why. So if you check, our work is almost done, and for it to look more nice you can just select the line width to make it a little bit nicer. Now let's create dimension for our work. So to do that I'll just create a layer, just give it a name, and then the color of the dimension I want to use, I'll just use this one, and then click OK. Now let me just do some settings. So the line width, I don't want to use the default, I want to use the 0.25. if I pick the default it will pick this thickness, which I don't want. Alright, so okay, and then also yeah, I think for now that is it. So let's try and dimension our work. So to do that, just select the dimension layer and then come to the annotation tab and select radius for this. which is 7.5. Let's confirm it's true. Then also radius again, the inside one, which is 5. All right, radius for this side, you can see is 5. I would like to move it to this end, like to look nice. Good. And then radius for this place, I think it's also 2.5. Good. Now the reason why I didn't actually touch this line is because we need to dimension it in the linear form. Okay, and it's going to be difficult if you try to delete before dimension. So just put it here. Good. Now let's come down here, pick diameter, dimension this one 32, this 25. Now take radius for, let's pick radius for this one. Okay, and then radius for this. Okay, and then also the linear for this point and this point, which is 14. Can leave it here. Now you can just select the lines and delete them, this and this, and just do away with them. Now let's try and dimension the height of it. So linear from center to center, have 70. Linear once more. Now from center to this point, we have 20. And then I think the last one from center to this point, no, that is from here to here is 40. Good. So that is it. Thank you all for watching, and please, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you all for watching.